Hello everybody, this is Isaac from IWM. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about my 3 biggest keys to funk music. How about that? So, if you're into music creation, if you're into music production, mixing, mastering, song creation, then this channel is very, very much for you. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. During the video is a good time to do so. Are you ready? Let's go. As you already know, I'm a music producer from Sweden and I work in different styles, and I love to find, the key, the core to those styles. And today we're going to talk about something that's very, very close to my heart, which is funk music. And I'm going to show you and talk about my biggest keys, the 3 biggest keys to funk music. And the first key is what? Yes, you guessed right. It's pauses. The second one is attack. The third one is attitude. And I'm going to walk you through all these 3 things and let's see what happens, okay? Let's hit the studio. So, I have a drum kit here, as always. And I'm going to show you what I mean when I say pauses, attack, and attitude. The first thing that I'm going to do is to record a simple beat with a lot of pauses in it. How about that? We have tempo of 110. Okay, something like that. Okay, wow, another menu just popped up. Okay, what do we have here? We have a drum beat with pauses. Okay, you get the idea. The pauses are very, very, very important for the funk to reach through. Oh yes, one of my favorite sounds. If you want to know what sound it is, press hit the. You can always hit the subscribe button, but also type it in the comments. Of course. Okay, so the first one was what? Pauses, yes, and the second is attack. We don't want to use any lousy pad type of that kind of instruments. We don't want to do that. We want to use something that has attack. That's what we love, don't we? Okay. So we're gonna see what happens. Okay, did you experience any legato during that take? No, you didn't, because we want attack, staccato in Italian. How about that? And we also have another sound called funky clavinet with an octave. And we're just gonna record it a very simple way. Maybe with a click. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Pretty much space left for something else to enjoy and to join the show. Okay, let's see. The first one needs to be on the right side of the bar because otherwise you're not gonna hear it. Okay, so as a reminder, the first thing, what was that? It was the pauses. We need to leave space. The second thing is the attack, the instruments with attack. Because we have the drums with attack, we have some kind of roach with a wah-wah thing with attack, and also a funky clavinet type of sound with attack. The third one, you remember? Attitude. Yes! Okay, and what do I mean with attitude? Well, if you are about to lay down some vocals on this thing, my opinion is that you cannot just sing about, I don't know what you want to say about something, I don't know, lazy. No, we want to say something specific, you know, and whatever that could be. Let's sing about, a microphone, SM58. Don't we love this microphone? Yes, we do. Okay. And you want to be crystal clear about what you're singing about, and there should be no hesitation, in my opinion. Sing about a microphone. Okay, let's try it. I want to sing about the microphone. It's black and it's gray. Ooh. I want to sing about the microphone. SM58, SM58. Okay. Again, not my best lyrics, but be convinced of the thing you are singing about. If you're singing about a microphone, then do that 100% with attitude. Okay. We don't want any lousy crap going on. No, we don't. Okay, let's try some simple step. I want to sing about the microphone. It's black and it's gray. Ooh. I want to sing about the microphone. SM58, SM58. Okay, and also another one. Sing about the microphone. SM58, SM58. Okay. Yep. Then do some panning. SM58, SM58. Okay, again, this is a reminder, again, about the three important things in funk music. The first one is pauses. Leave pauses to the instruments. And secondly, attack. Instruments and sounds and voices with attack. And third, attitude. You want to sing about something crystal clear. Be convinced, be sure about the things you're singing about. Even though it's a microphone. I want to sing about the microphone. Yes, we are. It's black and it's gray. Ooh. I want to sing about the microphone. SM58, SM58. I want to sing about the microphone. I want to sing about the microphone. It's black and it's gray. Ooh. I want to sing about the microphone. SM58, SM58. Okay, so again, this is really my three most important things in creating funk music. You have to leave space, you have to use instruments and sounds with attack, and you have to have attitude when creating this kind of music style. What's your go-to ways of creating funk music? What's your top three things when you create? Hit it in the comments and let's discuss it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you are into funk music, if you're into music creation and want to know how it's done, please do. And let's get back to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.